If you want to find and manage sound and vibration settings on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, then in that case we need to open Settings. Next in here we should be able to find the sound option, and we can start by, of course, choosing the sound mode or the mute mode. So if you want to enable the silence for Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, then you can do this, for example, over here. Besides that, we have ringtone selection, so you can choose a new ringtone that you wish to be used. We can also change the notification sound. We have the system sound as well, so we can change the volume for the system sounds. We have some sound option as well that we can toggle. And we have the volume where we can adjust all volumes over here for different things. Sound quality and effects. And in this case, we have, for example, Dolby Atmos, we have the equalizer, and so on and so forth. And we have the separate app sound option. So in this case, as you can see, we have no vibration options at all. The tablet does not have vibrations. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.